Hello everybody, welcome to veenaskitchen.com. I am Veena. Since everybody is making sweet recipes for Navaratri, I thought of taking a challenge of no sweet recipe. And yet it is a very festival recipe. So today I will be showing you a recipe that is called Pidi Kozhikatta. Yes, Kozhikatta we have seen in the past, but this Kozhikatta is not sweet at all. It is a savory dish, a very good breakfast recipe or any snack time, which goes very well with coconut chutney. So let's see how to make Pidi Kozhikatta. Take a hot water and add about half a teaspoon of salt or salt as per your taste in it. This will straight away go in the rice flour. The water needs to be boiling hot. Okay, to make Pidi Kozhikatta, we will just heat a pan. Once the pan becomes hot, we will add 1 cup of rice flour into it. Add 1 cup of rice flour and roast it in a slow flame till the aroma spreads. Okay, now I kept it for about 3 to 4 minutes in a very slow flame, and our rice flour has roasted well and nice. So now let us take it out of the flame and keep it aside. I'm going to use another pan. So this is the roasted and this is another pan. I will allow it to become nice and hot. Now the pan is heated. I will slow the flame a little. Into it add about 1 tablespoon of oil. That's wonderful. Allow the oil to become nice and hot. Just grease the pan lightly and add about a pinch of mustard seeds into it. See to it that add mustard seeds only after the oil becomes hot, so that it will splutter. Add little urad dal or black gram dal. Slow the flame and allow the urad dal or the black gram dal to become nice light golden brown in color. In a slow flame. Now let us add about few curry leaves in it. Smells delicious. Wonderful. Now into it we will add 1 chopped green chili. These are Kashmiri chili dried. I'm going to make it very small. Break it into small pieces and put it in there. And immediately take it out of the flame. Place this pan back to the flame and pour in the seasoning. Gently mix them well. After the seasoning is all ready, mixed well and nice with the flour, add 1 cup of water with salt in it. can switch off the flame at this time. Let us sprinkle some grated coconut. And mix it well. Now let us allow it to cool the mixture. Okay, now our mixture has cooled down well and nice. We will just transfer it into a bowl, make it a shape and steam it. Now let us mix it well. I'm going to use my hands to mix it well, make it into a dough shape, and also mix all the spices in it so that it comes together. Now everything is mixed well and nice. We'll go ahead and make shapes out of it. So we will make pidi out of it. Pidi as in holding. So what we will do is just take a piece and just press it, squeeze it like so. Just when you squeeze it, you get a shape. Like this. This is exactly the shape we want. Place it on the bowl. I'll show it to you. Okay, so we'll just take a small portion and just press it, and we get a shape like this, right? That's about it. We will place it on a plate, one on the other side. Okay, let us go ahead and steam in a steamer, or if you don't have a steamer, I'll just show you how I am going to steam it for about 5 to 7 minutes in a slow flame. Now for the steaming, I'm going to take a pan like this, and I'm going to use a grill stand or a wire rack like this. If you do not have, you can use a stainless steel plate as well. That will also work. So I will heat it. If you have a steamer, that's even better. I'm going to pour some water, just a little, so that I can actually easily place this over here. Right? So I will place it only after the water comes to a boil. So I'll just pour it and allow the water to come to a boil temperature. Just going to close it with the lid so that the boiling happens quickly. Okay, let's check if the water is boiling. Oh yeah, it is. Nice and bubbly. Let us place our wire rack over it. A stand. And on the top I am going to place this. Well, be careful with the hands, don't want to burn it. Oops, I need a help. So I'm going to use, first of all, I'm going to slow the flame. I'm going to use a chopstick and adjust my plate. Just be careful. There you are. Okay, that's better. So I just used 2 chopsticks which I already had. You can use any non-heating heat conductor, or which is not anything made of wood, or any spatula is absolutely okay. So now I kept the flame very slow. After that, just close it with the lid and allow it to steam for about 5 to 7 minutes in a slow flame. Okay, now it is about 7 minutes and you can see the steam is passing by from here. You don't want to touch that. So I will simply take it out, and it smells wonderful. So now our flavorful Pidi Kozhikatta is ready. A fantastic breakfast recipe. breakfast dish as well as a Navaratri festival recipe as well. So I am going to allow it to cool. I will not touch it. I will switch off the flame, allow it to cool and let it come to a room temperature, and then serve it with coconut chutney. Okay, now our Kolkata, Pidi Kozhikatta has cooled down well and nice. I am able to touch it. I am going to place it and serve it with coconut chutney. So this is our coconut chutney. There you go. There you go. Delicious Pidi Kozhikatta is now ready to be served. Usually we have Kozhikatta sweet, but this is savory and a fantastic breakfast. It is also a wonderful Navaratri recipe. Well, I hope you enjoyed this recipe as much as I making this dish, and also a very healthy recipe since it is a steamed and not fried or no sweet added into it. Please do give it a try, and also do take care of your health. It is very important. Try to avoid sweet as much as possible. Because festival comes and go, we should try to take care of our health as well. Well, I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. And if you're new to this channel, do subscribe. I will be posting recipes now since festival is here. I am thinking of posting some recipes as much as possible. My name is Veena Nair. Thank you so much for watching veenaskitchen.com, and if you have any comments or queries, please do post it in the comment box and I'll reply to your queries. Bye bye.